Good evening, student. In this video, we'll try to learn about the first model of plasma membrane. This model is called as trilamellar or a sandwich model proposed by Daniel and Dawson. In this model, we will try to learn how the lipids and proteins are arranged according to the structure of plasma membrane. Just to summarize, we have already learned that plasma membrane is a trilamellar structure in which there are two layers of lipids, which is called as lipid bilayer, okay, and one layer is of protein. These lipids will constitute 40% of plasma membrane and protein will constitute 52%, that we have already learned. Up till now we are not knowing the sequence of lipids and proteins. This model was proposed by Daniel and Dawson before the invention of electron microscope. So they have hypothesized that the lipid which are present in bilayer are actually sandwiched between the layer of protein from both the side. So if we see the structure of sandwich model proposed by Danieli and Dawson, according to this model, the lipids and proteins are arranged in PLLP format. That means a lipid bilayer is sandwiched between a layer of protein from both the side. Just like making a sandwich, we take two slices of bread. हम दो ब्रेड की स्लाइस लेते हैं और उसके बीच में जैम को लगाकर फिर दोनों स्लाइड्स को ऊपर से रख देते हैं और ऐसे बनाते हैं सैंडविच। उसी तरीके से इन्होंने प्रपोज किया था कि जो लिपिड बाइलेयर है वो दोनों साइड से प्रोटीन की लेयर में सैंडविच है। सो फॉर ड्राइंग द एक्चुअल स्ट्रक्चर वी हैव टू कंसीडर दिस इज अ लेयर ऑफ लिपिड. This is the first layer of lipid in which the heads are facing towards outside and tails of the lipid are facing each other. This lipid bilayer is sandwiched between a layer of protein from both sides. So this is a layer of protein which is present on both the sides. So a plasma membrane will look like this according to a sandwich model of plasma membrane. But as this model is before the invention of electron microscope, this model is having the limitation. Some of the properties of plasma membrane we cannot explain with the help of this model, and that's why this model will get failed. Okay, so कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज ऐसी है प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन की जो इस मॉडल के भरोसे हम प्रूव नहीं कर सकते. फॉर एग्जाम्पल क्या क्या हम प्रूव नहीं कर सकते? सो वी कैन नॉट प्रूव द सिलेक्टिव परमिएबिलिटी नेचर ऑफ प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन. एंड सेकेंडली द वेरिएबल रेशो ऑफ लिपिड एंड प्रोटीन. According to this model, the proteins and lipid, if you consider any half of this plasma membrane, so here there are 1 2 3 4 molecules of lipids, okay, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 molecules of protein. So the ratio of lipids and protein is 4:6. This ratio will not change, it will get fixed. और अगर रेशो फिक्स है इसका मतलब है कि प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन इज अ रिजिड स्ट्रक्चर. सो द थर्ड प्रॉपर्टी विच वी कैन नॉट एक्सप्लेन ऑन द बिहाफ ऑफ सैंडविच मॉडल इज द डायनेमिसिटी, दैट इज द फ्लूइडिटी. डायनेमिक nature of plasma membrane cannot be explained with the help of sandwich model. But whatever information given in the sandwich model, that information कि lipid bilayer is consist of phospholipids and proteins of the layer are alpha globulin protein. These all the information mentioned in the sandwich model are absolutely correct, but these Daniel and Davison have actually failed to give the exact position of lipid and protein layer, and due to inability to prove the nature of plasma membrane, this model get failed. So after this model, we will try to learn about the model proposed by Robertson, that is unit membrane model. Thank you.